Have a happy morning, students. This is me, your teacher Neha Kheradia, and our today's topic is relative pronouns. Last one, okay? Fine. Let's recall quickly, okay? Pronoun. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. There are 8 kinds of pronouns. First, personal. Second, interrogative. Third, demonstrative. Fourth, possessive. Fifth, indefinite. Sixth, reflexive. Seventh, distributive. And last one, relative. Okay? Fine? Okay. But today we are going to start our new pronoun. Name of this pronoun is relative pronoun. Okay. Relative pronoun means the pronouns who, whose, whom, that, and which join two sentences and refer back to the nouns going before them. Fine? They are called relative pronouns. Fine? Okay? Clear? Who, whose, whom, that, and which. Fine? Okay. Read the following pairs of sentences. First one, it's written, I met Vyom. Vyom stood first in the class. So, I met Vyom who stood first in the class. Right? I met Vyom who stood first in the class. So, here who does two things. Who does two things? First one, it joins two sentences. Clear? And second one, it is also used for the noun Vyom. Right? That goes before it. Okay? So, as a general rule, who is used for persons only. Okay? And it may refer to singular or plural noun. Let me give you some more examples. Like, I went to see Mansi. Who is my friend? I went to see Mansi. Who is my friend? So, Mansi here, person, right? Singular. Okay. Next example. I joined my friends who were playing in the park. I joined my friends who were. So, here friends, plural. That's why we have used were. Clear? Okay. Next one. We met a woman. Her son was giving a reward. We met a woman whose son was given a reward. Clear? We met a woman whose son was given a reward. So, whose does again two things. First, it joins two sentences, same. And second, it is also used for the noun woman. That goes before it. Right? So, whose is used in speaking of person. Persons, right? Okay? Let's see some more examples. Here is the man whose son met with an accident. Here is the man whose son met with an accident. Next, we met the travelers whose belongings were robbed. We met the travelers whose belongings were robbed. Fine. So, it is also used for the noun. Fine. That goes before it. Clear? Okay. Next one. The lady is my aunt. You met the lady at the door. The lady is my aunt. You met the lady at the door. The lady whom you met at the door is my aunt. The lady whom you met at the door is my aunt. Clear? So, whom is used in speaking of persons? Right? Okay. Like this is the snake charmers whom we met yesterday. This is the snake charmer whom we met yesterday. Or these are the boys whom the principal punished. These are the boys whom the principal punished. Fine? Okay. Next, I know the hostel. He lives in the hostel. I know the hostel. He lives in the hostel. So, I know the hostel that he lives in. Fine? Now, again, no need to write down hostel. Okay? I know the hostel that he lives in. Fine? All of you are getting? Everyone? Fine? So, that is used for persons, animals or things. Fine? Giving you some more examples. The thief killed the dog that chased him. The thief killed the dog that chased him. Fine? Next, this is the shirt that you bought for me. This is the shirt that you bought for me. Okay? Fine? Next and last. Chandra has found the purse. She had lost the purse. Chandra had found the purse which she had lost. Chandra has found the purse which she had lost. So which is used for animals and things without life? Okay, fine. Like the dog which chased the thieves was killed. The dog which chased the thieves was killed. And the time which is lost forever. The time which is lost forever. Clear? So, when to use who, when to use whose, when to use whom, that and which. I think you all are clear. Okay, fine. Let's summarize everything. Relative pronouns. The pronouns who, whose, whom, that and which join two sentences and refer back to nouns going before them. They are called relative pronouns. So you have to remember who, whose, whom, that and which. Okay? Clear? Fine. In a general rule, who is used for persons only. Fine? Okay? It may refer to a singular or plural. Whose is used in speaking of person. Whom in speaking of persons. And which is used for animals and things without life, and that is used for persons, animals and or things. Clear? Okay, fine. Types of pronouns, 8 types: personal, interrogative, demonstrative, possessive, indefinite, reflexive, distributive, and last one relative. Clear? Fine. I wish you understood this lecture properly, and I hope you enjoyed my lecture. Fine? Okay. Do this exercise by your own way. Bye-bye. Have a nice day, bacha. Bye-bye.